Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your own playlist on YouTube Music, step by step. If you love organizing your favorite tracks, this feature will help you keep every song in one place so you can listen anytime you want. First, open YouTube Music on your phone or desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. On the home screen, search for your favorite artist or song using the search bar at the top. Once you find a song you like, tap the three dots next to it. This is your action menu. From there, select Add to Playlist. If you already have a playlist, you can add the song directly, but to start fresh, click New Playlist. A small pop-up will appear where you can name your playlist. Add a short description like My Workout Mix or Evening Chill, and choose if you want it public, unlisted, or private. Once that's done, hit Create. Now, your playlist is live. You can repeat the process to add more songs. Just tap those three dots again and choose your playlist name each time. Over time, your playlist becomes your personal music library filled with your top tracks. To view it later, just go to Library at the bottom of the screen, tap Playlists, and you'll see all your custom ones listed. From here, you can reorder songs, remove tracks you no longer want, or even share the playlist with your friends. And here's something cool. You can also download your playlist for offline listening if you're using the app, so your music stays with you even without internet access. That's it! You've just learned how to create, manage, and enjoy your own playlist on YouTube Music. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials every week.